Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. First, pick the image file on your device and confirm it's a web-ready format like JPG or PNG. Smaller than 15 MB is safer. Next, open the browser and go to Google Images or open Google Drive if you plan to host privately. Once done, click the camera icon in Google Images to upload or click New File, Upload in Drive. This starts the search by image or hosting process immediately, so you can control visibility and metadata. After the file is selected, drag and drop or use Browse to upload. Monitor the progress indicator so you know it finished. While the image is active, rename the file to a descriptive, keyword-rich name and add alt text if using a content platform. This improves findability. If you used Google Drive, once uploaded, set sharing permissions to public or anyone with link depending on intent, then copy the view link. These steps ensure Google can index the image and users can access it reliably. Finish by verifying the image appears in Google Images. Indexing can take 24 to 72 hours. For faster inclusion, submit an image sitemap or use Google Search Console's URL inspection to request indexing. Make sure your hosting allows crawling, check robots, TXT and any noindex tags, and confirm public permissions if using Drive. If the image doesn't show, clear caches, resubmit the sitemap, and review file name and alt text for crawlable keywords. One key tip: incorrect permissions are the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.